Welcome to Tech Videos on Excel 2016. In this video we're going to be looking at the SUMIF function. What you're seeing on the screen is a small table which represents a much larger table, and you see that we have three fields: item, supplier, cost. So let's say you're running a small organization and you are making purchases of various items over a period of time. Now you'll notice that the items reoccur several times. So you see sugar several times, milk several times, so on. Also, you are purchasing from a variety of suppliers, and each time that you make a purchase, you are adding that purchase to your list. So therefore, this is an ongoing process that you do. At the end of a particular period, you may decide that you want to do some summary, create some summaries. Basically, you want to see how much money you have spent on a particular item, or how much money you have spent at a particular supplier, and that is where the SUMIF comes in. Now you may be familiar with the regular sum function, where you just add, tell the computer equals sum, and add from one cell to the other. We are going to look at it in a way that is much easier, where the computer will select the particular item that we want to sum, and also on the second case, the particular supplier that you want to work out how much money is spent with that particular person. So let's look at the item first. So from our small table here, you see that we have sugar listed, and you want to see how much money we have spent on sugar over the given period of time. So we go here on the cost, and we will click, we will press equal SUMIF. In the past we have used just sum, but this time you add in if to it, so SUMIF, which means that it's going to select only the particular items that we want to do the total on. So three things we need to put into this formula. First, you see it asks for the range. Now the range covers our filter list. That is where we will get our particular item from, and the field that also contains the numbers that we want to add together. So what we're going to do, we're going to select everything from the first item to the last cost. Now what comes in between there does not matter. All we need to know is that our list of items is included and our costing is included. Separator, and now we're going to indicate what we want. So in this case it says sugar, so I can put double quotes, type the word sugar exactly as it is. I have to turn my caps locks off. Double quotes again, and the separator. So we are saying look on this range and select from this range sugar. Now we're going to tell the computer where to look for the actual costing of the sugar items. So we will select all the entries on the cost, and we can close the parentheses. If we press enter now, it should tell us how much money was spent on sugar, and there you have it, $2,823. $2,823. Easy. So let's see how we can work that for a particular supplier. The process is exactly the same. So equal SUMIF, open parentheses, and this time you notice that we are not going to include the items, because the computer is going to look at the field on the left for this reference. That is important. The field on the left carries the reference, so therefore we cannot select all three fields as we did just now. We know we just need to have those two fields selected this time. So a separator, and we can type in it is bronze corner shop, so spell it exactly as it is. and close the quotes and put our separator. And now we just need to have the sum range, which is right on the cost. Close our parentheses, press enter, and there you go. So Bronze Corner Shop would have received $3,662 from us. That is how you do the sum range, very basic. However, in this, you may ask the question, suppose that you want to do that for other suppliers or other items. Well, you can simply just repeat the formula on the next line and so on until you have all the ones you want to do. In the next video, I will show you how you can do a drop-down list so that you will see only the particular item or supplier you want by simply selecting from a list.